Risk-based maintenance, Part 1. Collect data. For each identified risk, data needs to be collected. This includes information about the risk, its general consequences and the general methods used to mitigate and predict the risk. Risk evaluation. At the risk evaluation stage, both the probability of the risk and the consequence of the risk are quantified in the context of the facility under consideration. Rank risks. With the risk evaluation complete, the probability and consequence are combined to determine the total risk. This total risk is ranked against predetermined levels of risk. As a result, the risk is either acceptable or unacceptable.